Well, boys, the Kenwood TS 940S. She is over my head on how to get this one working. She is an interesting beast, to say the least. The AVR board is probably even only half working properly. The other half is completely utterly dead, and I replaced a whole pile of parts on it, and I can't seem to get the AVR board to fire up properly. Tried everything. So as she sits now, I've going to take a break, I guess, from this Kenwood TS 940S. Unfortunately, she is beyond my capability to repair. Somebody else may have a better shot at it than me, but she's beyond my comprehension how to get this one working. It's a sin that the 940S couldn't be repaired, but apparently, from what I'm reading online, it's a pretty common issue that goes on with these guys, that the AVR board there's a fault with it of some sort or another. That there's a lot of these TS 940s out there that the same problem happens to. So it's not just this radio. It's a common fault on all of these. Sooner or later, there will come a fault of the AVR board itself. And if anybody is out there right now is using these Kenwood TS 940s and they are working, I would highly suggest that you do the AVR board upgrades that are mentioned online, especially with the 15 amp fuse. That has to be moved from the AVR board. It has to be moved to another section before the bridge rectifier. So yeah, I would suggest anybody that has a 940 working, trust me when I tell you, get the upgrades done to the AVR board before your TS 940 ends up like this one and so many before her. A complete, utter paperweight. Somebody else may have better luck with it than me, but this is one repair that, in my mind, right now, I would call this uneconomical to repair. Basically, the cost associated with repairing this radio outweighs what it's, the amount of time and effort it would take to actually try to get this thing working. So, there is an untold story with this radio. We discovered a few things with it that there's a couple stories going on out there about this one, and there's an untold story that I'm pretty sure I found the answer to. So anyways, this 940, I don't know what her where she's going to end up after tonight. She may end up hitting the scrap pile. I have no idea. But I guess this is one TS 940 that, as far as I'm concerned, will never run again. Not without some major reconstructive surgery, for sure. Hey guys, I know the last video I got 3 thumbs down on it. Not sure why, but that's it. The video is what it is, and it's just repairs, or trying to repair. Anyway guys, all the best, and we'll talk later. I have another piece of test equipment here that I'm going to show shortly. I've been wanting for a long time, and I finally got my hands on one. Anyway guys, all the best, 7-3, take care, and again, if you have a Kenwood TS 940S, I highly suggest you do the AVR board upgrade to your radio if it is working now, before yours turns like this, a paperweight.